So okay, welcome back to my channel, guys. So what we have here today, yes, this is my new toy from 1212. So what's this? This is the GoPro Hero Max. So this is actually basically bought during 1212, during the sales time. So I got it for quite a good price. And look, let's get a look at what did I get in this package. So this GoPro actually I bought from this store called the N4, which is in Penang. They have a very good deal in their website in Shopee or Lazada. Their prices are really can say quite competitive, and let's go ahead and check it out. So I've got a planner for 2020. Then this is the notes from them and the invoice, and then I get a calendar, a 2020 calendar. So the first thing is a selfie stick. This is a quite weighty one, so it should be a good quality one. Then next is the GoPro Hero Max extra battery, original, and a 128GB of memory card, very high speed ones. Then next is a GoPro t-shirt, GoPro Hero 8 t-shirt, and then the 53-in-1 for GoPro kit. So this is by Pulus. This brand is Pulus, and you have 53 items including this this case. So a selfie stick, floating stick, and all the things that you see from here. Last but not least, the Hero Max. Yes, this is the bad boy that I've been waiting for quite some time. So we'll go and do some unboxing on this Hero Max. But before we go for this, we'll be unboxing the small accessories like battery, the memory card, and then this. Okay, so the first thing I'll be unboxing is these two stuff here. So this one will be for later. A t-shirt, I don't think that is necessary to unbox. And okay, let's go ahead and do the unboxing. So the first thing is this selfie stick. It is actually the alloy type, so it's high quality and high durability. So something to note about this shop is the packaging of the accessories and the cameras are actually quite good. So you are not afraid that the items are going to get damaged. So let's go ahead and go for the battery and the memory card. Okay, so here we have the 128GB of storage by Lexar, and this is the class 10 U3. So it's very suitable for cameras that requires the high demand on performance. So next is the Hero Max rechargeable battery. This is original battery from GoPro. This is not any third-party batteries. So settled with this, and we go next with the accessories, 53-in-1 accessories. Okay, so let's go ahead and unzip this bad boy up. Let's do some unzipping ASMR. Oh, yo, look, so many accessories in this box. So we have the floaty handle, we have the head mount, the normal accessories, extra stuffs, the handlebar mounts. Then what is this? Extra screws, and this is the tripod mounts. Then we have this clip for you to clip on your bags, and then chest mounts. Then inside here there's a lot of 3M sticky tapes, head mounts, the tools for you to unscrew the GoPro screws, then the bag, the floaty mount, the tripod, and quite a lot of things. Well, and what is this? Okay, so this is I think to tie your cables, I guess. Okay, so let's not wait, and let's go ahead and open up the Hero Max. Ding 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 ding. This is what I've been waiting for. There you have it, the Hero Max, the 360 camera by GoPro, yeah. So, to open this box, you have to pull this blue tab. Okay, so this is the Hero Max. The size of it looks cool. 6 mics and touchscreen, and you have the amazing horizon leveling. That is what I'm tempted to try out. Really excited about that. Man, this is such poisonous. So let's go ahead and remove the Hero 8 first. So what do we get in the box? We have some GoPro Plus this is the GoPro Plus, the extra warranty for the heroes, accessories, guides, notice, blah blah blah. And what are these? So seems to be like a sticker. And then next you have instruction manuals, which we don't really go through. And this is the best part about the Hero Max. It comes with a pouch, and inside the pouch you have compartments for you to keep the lens protectors. Look at that. And then next we go through this compartment. And you have these two covers for the lens, which is very helpful, that the Insta360 doesn't provide, but you can buy third parties, but it's good to have in the box as well. A Type-C USB cable, a curved sticky mount, and the battery itself. So yes, that's all for today. This is the unboxing of the Hero Max with the accessories, and stay tuned for some sample videos in the future. Bye guys.